Howdy people, today we're gonna do fake alarms. I believe this is not really a game, but I really want to check it out. I saw this on the App Store and looked fun. I mean, fake alarms, isn't it? Fake alarms? Okay, I don't know what's wrong with me. So let's go alarms. Ooh, we have a lot of alarms. Ooh, code red or condition red. Let's try this. Play. Ooh. Actually, I think that's the correct alarm. I'm not sure. Okay. I have my computer right here. Yep. This is the code red alarm. Definitely. I mean, the picture is correct, so I guess the thing is correct. Let's check out the other ones. Stop. Ooh, perimeter breach. That sounds like a robot. It's too loud for me to speak. But it sounds like a robot. That's broken, I think. It doesn't. Ooh, nuke alarm. That's cool. That's the correct nuke alarm from what I remember. Let's check out the other ones. We have the high alert. It sounds kind of weird. Definitely weird. Oh, perimeter breach alarm. I think this is like the first one. Oh yeah, I know this one. Probably most of you know this. I think this is from like Call of Duty. I think you can hear this in Call of Duty, like the first classic. You know, the 2003 version, the old one, the first one ever. You can hear this when I think it's on like the level when you breach that German game. Yeah, the DMAN. Not the bad word, okay? So let's go. Evacuate. Oh.
Please evacuate this building.
I kind of like this one. It's kind of
Please
evacuating.
evacuate this building.
Very evacuating. We're going. Interesting. It's like the ping, 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 ping. Kind of sounds like a car alarm. Nuclear. Oh, everybody knows this. Who doesn't know this? Please raise your hand. Who doesn't know this? Okay, let's go to the next one. Smoke alarm. Everybody knows this. It's like a bomb. Literally. Yeah, because like beep 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 boom boom. Like that's how it should sound. Awesome one side. Yeah, this is the German World War II siren. Looks very cool and sounds very cool. And it's also very loud. Too loud. Let's check out some of the other sirens. Intruder alarm. Oh yeah, I think everybody knows this. Factory. Oh, this one. That's kind of creepy, actually. That's it? Okay. Check out. Darn it. Click the wrong thing. Okay, let's go. Weaver air raid siren. Oh. This kind of sounds the same as the German one. Both of them kind of sound the same. Nah, no. Alright. Oh, this one was the one. Wait, what? This one is what I clicked. Yeah, the second smoke alarm. Cool too. Submarine. Oh yeah. Police siren. Everybody knows this one. Kind of fits it with the smoke alarm. Fireball. Yeah. I'm pretty sure most of you heard this bill before. It's mostly when a fire happens. But very cool. Car alarm. Pew 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 pew. It kind of sounds like a laser. Pew 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 pew. Oh well, that seems to be for all the alarms. Yeah, I just want to listen to this one for a little bit. I mean, doesn't it just kind of? It's very cool, but I don't know. I think they're missing something. Well, anyways, I think that's it for all the alarms. I hope you like this, and hope you like it and everything, and yeah.